Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be unboxing what I got from Bling Girl. Okay, so this is the packaging. It looks a little something like that on both sides. How cute. Okay, so I really love when a brand actually takes a bit of initiative and it's just giving us cute stuff. Okay, so what is inside, I'll show you just like this. I got a few stuff and I want to just walk you through what I got. Okay, so I got some makeup brushes. This is called a makeup brush kit over there. So when it comes to this, I bought 6 of them because you get a cheaper price when you buy in bulk, right? So as a makeup artist, I always need a lot of these brushes. So I'm like, I'm gonna hop on and buy them. This is what it looks like inside. I didn't even count how many brushes are in here, but it's a lot, okay? It's a lot in that little box. So you can imagine this times 6, okay? And what I love and adore is that they have names, guys. So just for an example, this one says eyelash and eyebrow, right? It's got a little name there. I'll just show you guys maybe a thicker one like this that has one of the names on it like that. This says foundation brush, which is this brush over here. I can maybe just open another one. I think this is called a kabuki brush, but let's see what they say here. They say it's a slanted powder brush. So yeah, the list really does go on. They all have names. It's super cute. Yeah, but anyway, you get the gist of the situation, that those brushes times 6. Absolutely love that from Bling Girl. It was super affordable. It was like under 100 Rand for each set. So you can just imagine, like, as a makeup artist, that's super great. And then I also got some eyelashes, okay? So I got strip eyelashes. I won't be able to show you each and every single one I got because I was choosing different ones in terms of the shapes, styles, sizes. But just to show you a little bit of an example, this is what I got. And yeah, I really love this cat eye style where it starts super small at the beginning and then it gets longer. So that's probably what I chose, just in different styles and different. It's all Bling Girl, but like this is weightless, this is luxury, this is super slim band, this is everyday wear. So they're all just like slightly different and have like different hair structures, but all of them are cat eye because I prefer that. And what I also got from Bling Girl was this. So I love this because I was speaking about it in my last video. When you're doing a client, it's super important to be hygienic. So if you've got a lipstick, you would use one of these to dip into your lipstick or to swab your lipstick and apply it onto your client so that you don't reuse the lipstick on each and every single person for hygiene purposes, obviously, as you could imagine. I don't think I can open this right now because it's still sealed. Oh, there we go. Easy to open, perfect for us on our channel. It's got a little zip thing there, and then that's what it looks like. So you just kind of, when you're done, you throw this away, okay? It's nice and affordable, so you can buy multiple packs of this. I'm not sure how many are in here, but there's quite a lot, so you can use this for quite some time and repurchase once they're done. Okay, so lastly, guys, what I got was these two eyebrow pencils. I made sure to get 2 different shades of brown because when you're working with a darker client, you need something a bit darker to make sure that the eyebrow shows. Versus a lighter client, you don't want them to have super black eyebrows, so you want to work with something a bit light, right? So I'll just show you guys the shades that we're working with over there. See how nice and dark that is? I can already tell that's my dark one. And then this one, go like that over there. It's nice and light. So obviously you will choose depending on the person that you're working with, right? And I can also show you guys on my lips. Which one is the darker one? This one, right? Yeah. I have just the lip gloss on, but if I wanted to line my lips to make a nice lip combo, I would definitely use this one. It says Miss Demi Cosmetics eyeliner and eyebrow pencil. Alright. Miss Demi Cosmetics. There she is. Okay guys, so pro tip, if you want to do a lip combo where you've got the brown liner and the lip gloss, start with the liner, because once you're like me and you've got the lip gloss on, it becomes very difficult for this color to grip, right? So I'm gonna try it, but doubt it's gonna work. Okay, it is working, but not as well as it would have if I had started with the liner. But yeah, just to show you guys another way that you can use this pencil. If you're not using it for eyebrows, then you can also use it as a lip liner and it works just as well. Okay guys, I hope that you enjoyed our video. Please do like, comment, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next one.